Steve and I have a 2012 GMC Terrain in the shop. We're going to show you how to change out the license plate bulbs.
There it is. So it just pops out. It's got a little tensioner on one side right here. And we got the little 194 bulb here. And plug that in. I got the bulb, I can twist it back into the socket. And then I just put this end in like that, and then it just clips in. You push it back in place. So if you have to take it out, you just push on it and it peels right out. And then you change the bulb. So it's pretty slick.
You probably even get in there with a little tiny screwdriver, right?
Yeah, the picks seem to work pretty good though. So
if you don't happen to have one.
but you just gotta push this way and pull. That's why the pick's kind of nice. So Tony will put the lights on and we'll check them.
Yep. Both bulbs have been changed. They're both happily burnt out. Both sides the exact same way, and that's all you need to do to change your license plate bulbs.